and welcome to LinkedIn Connect Opportunity. Today, I'm going to discuss how LinkedIn can help you with your job search and assist you in excelling in your field of study. Let's get started. We'll start with a brief overview of career services and the resources available to you. We'll then discuss everything you need to know about starting your LinkedIn profile. What is LinkedIn, and why should you use LinkedIn? SLC campuses are currently closed due to COVID-19, and career services staff are working remotely. However, we are still available to assist you virtually with all of your job search needs. We can hold virtual one-on-one appointments via telephone, email, Skype, Zoom, or Teams. We also have a variety of online resources for you, including an online mock interview tool called Interview Stream. All SLC students have free access to this program. All you have to do is register using your SLC student email address. You can get to Interview Stream via our website. Next, we have our job board, which is also linked to our website. This job board is monitored and updated daily. Be sure to browse through consistently so you don't miss any great opportunities. Finally, on our website, we have a variety of guides and handouts for you to review. These include resume and cover letter, job fair prep, interview prep, and more. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is the world's largest professional online network. It enables connections for the purposes of exchanging knowledge, ideas, and opportunities with others in your industry. There are free and upgraded options. However, as students or recent graduates, the free version will meet your needs. Having a LinkedIn profile increases your chances of appearing at the top of search engine results. This will help recruiters and others in your industry find you more easily. Your LinkedIn homepage acts as an online dashboard to access news and updates from members of your network, including articles, jobs, or inquiries that are professional in nature. Messages from your colleagues and invitations to connect also appear on your dashboard, but they can be private. You can also find out which colleagues and former classmates have recently joined LinkedIn, who's viewed your profile, and how your network is growing. Please remember that LinkedIn is used for professional purposes only. How can you use LinkedIn? There are multiple ways that LinkedIn can help you with your job search and to help you excel in your future career. First, connecting. Use the search tool to find others in your field. This could be potential employers, coworkers, or past employers and coworkers. Second, use your LinkedIn profile to present yourself to potential employers. Provide potential employers with a detailed summary of your experience, education, and specialties. You can also build a unique profile URL that you can add to your resume. Think of your LinkedIn profile as an online resume. Keep it professional and related to the industry that you're in. Highlight all of the great experiences and skills that you have. Third, get answers. Ask industry and career questions and receive answers from experts and colleagues in the field. The fourth way you could use LinkedIn to assist you is recommendations. Recommendations are similar to references. Former and current colleagues can provide recommendations of your professional accomplishments and work ethic for current and future employers to reference. These recommendations will be visible on your profile to anyone who views it. Fifth, search and promote. Not only can you use the search function to look up potential employers and organizations, but businesses can access LinkedIn to find future clients, service providers, subject experts, and recommended partners and employees. LinkedIn provides you with many ways to share information. First, you can share information about yourself. This is the information that your connections or other professionals and companies see about you. Remember, think of it as an online resume. Keep it professional and related to the field that you're interested in. 2. Communicate with others. Communications in LinkedIn can be one-to-one, group discussions, or public discussions. And third, private activity. LinkedIn provides tools that you can use privately. As a St. Lawrence College student, you have free access to LinkedIn Learning. You can get to LinkedIn Learning via slc.me. This provides you with over 16,000 courses in which you can complete and receive a certificate for. You can then add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile. When starting your LinkedIn account, remember to add any experience or accomplishments to your profile that are related to the industry that you're interested in. Also, don't forget to continually add any new accomplishments or experiences as you move through your education and your career. Follow organizations that will appear as interest on your page. This will ensure that you stay up to date on relevant information. Connect with classmates, friends, and your professors, and others in your field. Professionally connect with employers who you have had an acquaintance with or interactions with in the past. If you have a close relationship with any past employers or current employers, ask them to provide you with a recommendation on your profile. Stay up to date by joining a LinkedIn group. There are groups for almost every industry. Joining a group will give you the opportunity to make new connections, flaunt your expertise by answering questions posed in the group, and keep your finger on the pulse of what's going on in your industry. Groups will also give you the opportunity to share your content. You may find an overwhelming number of groups out there, so you might need to spend a little bit of time researching which ones are active and have a large membership base. Remember that employers use social media. 1 in every 5 companies that use social media for recruitment purposes say they use LinkedIn. Accounts that are 100% complete are 40 times more likely to get found in a LinkedIn recruiter search. Here is a LinkedIn checklist to help you build your profile. If you'd like a copy of this for yourself, please reach out to us at careerservices@sl.on.ca and we'd be happy to send you one. Thank you for listening to this LinkedIn presentation. Remember that we are here to support you virtually with all of your job search needs. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at careerservices@sl.on.ca. And don't forget to follow us on social media for daily updates, tools, and job opportunities. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at SLC Career Services and on Twitter at SLC Career. We look forward to hearing from you.